Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your DevOps SRE DevSecOps coach. I have close to 18 plus years of experience working in multiple MNCs around the globe and having in-depth knowledge of DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. So I would like to introduce you one certification program in a DevOps, and that is we call it DevOps Certified Professional. Now this is a 2 months of program, 25 tools of DevOps you will learn, and apart from that you will also get the access to the LMS, lifetime access to the videos portal. It's a certification program, and you will have 25 assignments and 2 projects along with it. It's a completely weekend program, so here you have classes on Saturday and Sunday. So as part of this course, you will learn multiple things. Here you see that you will learn Linux, AWS, Docker, Jira, Confluence, Python, Git with GitHub, SonarQube, Maven, Gradle, Packer, Artifactory, Selenium, JMeter, Ansible, Kubernetes, Helm, Terraform, Jenkins, Datadog, Splunk, and Neuralink. Now, how do we, apply for this? So how can you reach out to us? So you have a WhatsApp number and email ID. So please reach out to us, and we'll help you to onboard this program. Apart from this DevOps certified professional programs, we are offering other certifications as well in a DevSecOps, SRE, and one of the very comprehensive programs which we have is in Master in DevOps Engineering. Yeah, so feel free to get in touch with us and then enroll for it. Thank you.
Okay, sorry, yeah. Okay, so let it get installed unzip. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll discuss a little bit of time just to save time. App agent. So how app agent works? This is something which I'm discussing. So for that, you need to have one application environment. Okay, application environment. So what to do? So here, in order to set up the app agent, because app agent you got application runtime. So first I'll do that install Java. Okay, that is the first thing. Second thing, I'll install the Tomcat. Okay, and then third thing, I will install applications, your application. And fourth thing, install and configure app agent, your app agent. And then fifth thing, create a traffic, create a traffic. And then sixth thing, observe the application load in AppDynamics. These are the things I will do in order to show the demo. Let's see that. Okay, so unzip is done. Now clear the screen, unzip, and done. So I'm back to the machine agent topic. Okay, so this is the machine agent I downloaded from that. You saw that where. Now how can we start it? So these are all the location you need to get comfortable. This is the configuration file where you can configure machine agent many ways. See here, this file is important, controller info and all. Okay, and this is the bin directory where you will have all the agent installation activities. So first we need to configure it. So what I will do, I'll just refer my blogs, because if I miss anything, I don't want to waste time troubleshooting. Dynamics and machine agent installations. Okay, so here this is the things. So for that, Java GR is required, which is inbuilt actually. So you don't have to do that. This is done. This is done. These are the maximum heap size. So configuration of the machine, I know that is good, so that's okay. If you have a low configuration, you can do that. Now how do we start this? So here you can set the initial heap site, and in Windows you can set the heap size. Download the installer. I did it. I copied, I unzip it also, and I did this. After that, there's one file which I showed you. That's a application file. So you should check some of the options. So these are the options which is important, because you know what, I downloaded the machine image from the controller only. So this option I'm expecting should be there automatically. Let me validate. I cannot trust, because they may change this. So go to the conf. and this file you see more controller info and controller, this is the host is there, and port number is also there, and SSL enable, that's also there, and where's the token, do you see some token, and so see this account access token. This is important. This is belong to my trial account access. So this is also there. So you have to make sure that this is there, and I was there. But what happens? Sometimes you don't download from the controller to download from the public website. Then you have to manually feed this entry. Actually, that is done. Okay. After that, you have to this is done. After that, you have to modify some of the option, which is proxy. If you are in proxy, you can do that. Right now, I'm ignoring it because I'm not inside a proxy. After that, you have to modify this entry. What exactly? You have to tell what is your node name and what is your applications and what is the tier. So node name, you understand that it's a agent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Application name, it should be your application name, like you'll say chat application or mail application, your product applications and all. And here it should be tier, means whether it's a web tier or app tier or database tier. All this you can segregate. So can I go and check that where is that entry? So do you get it? Uh, Locate it. Let me search for it. And here grep node name. This is the entry. It's XML file. It's not there. I'll just check application name, and it's not there. So what I will do, I'll feed this. You need this information. You need for not for machine agent actually. You need for the app agent. Okay, so it's important. So let me feed this entry at the end of file. Go to the end of the file, and before this section get closed, feed this. Just remember this one. This will help you in many ways. The spacing is not issue, is not a YAML file, but still, for that better look, I am feeding this. Done. So just keep in mind, anyways, recordings you'll have it, so you can refer it. Now this document is not as like a spoon feed it. You need to follow that with the logic, then only you'll get it. So examples, you will see something like this one. This is the one examples. So where you have this one and then this one and this one and stuff like that. So this you can refer as an example. Good. So done. And after that, I'm going to start the machine agent. So machine agent, where's the bin directory? So bin directory, enter, and then here you are going to run this utility. So dot machine agent, machine agent. That's all. Now, okay, there's some problem, and the problem is the Java, the one which is cannot execute. So Java is not executable. So why is that so? So just give me 2 seconds. I'll check the permissions of it. Uh, hmm. So okay, so I did not install the Java, and the reason is I was expecting they will take the Java internally. So, but they are not taking it. This is a see another changes has happened. So just give me 2 seconds. Uh, this is the Java is there, which is a part of this. So why they are asking to take the Java from outside? So I'm just checking. This is a shell script only. So if you see that, uh, this is correct. So they should read the Java from here and so on. There's no problem in the setup. And am I missing anything? Okay, let's go back and run from like this. It's not making any sense, but
Is a
success.
Java path needed actually?
Yeah, it's there. It's
Okay.
uh, just one more time. ls is there. It says cannot execute binary file success. Okay, let me give the permission chmod 755. Let me rerun. Mm, uh, just a second. Mm, okay, let me do one thing. Mkdir move just mkdir agent. There must be permission issue. There's no problem with this here. But what is the permission issues? It's not able to quickly get it. So what I am doing, I am extracting in the agent directory, and here let me validate if I miss anything. No. Okay. So here unzip machine agent, and here what I will do cd conf this file which I wanted cp controller to agent conf controller. So now I'll go to agent locations cd bin. What I will do once I'll set the global permissions executable. So let me do that. Chmod chmod hyphen r. I'm not do. I should not do that, but I'm just thinking why it's failing because it should not fail actually. So now I'll just run machine agent and say stroking the Java.
Equivalently, it says success. Does it mean that it is running or what?
No, it says cannot execute binary file. Okay. See, this is a disaster mistake. Okay. Everything is correct, guys, though there's no problem in the setup. You know what? I think this is a mistake. Actually, I have done multiple times, and this is not my mistake also. This is the AppDynamics mistake. So look at this here. Got it?
Yeah, 64-bit architecture.
No, it's a 64-bit only. This is one. Mine is AMD. This is Arch. This is for mobile ARM actually.
Oh,
So yeah, you saw that mistake also. So please remember that, even though I forget because this session is happening every once in a 2 months. So this is not my mistake also. You know what? I don't know why they give ARM and create a trouble for it. So that is something which we have to avoid it. Anyways, so now I need this agent only, machine agent only, but this should be AMD. So I think this all is waste except the my configuration file. So configuration file I'll take a backup, and which is I created. So this I need a backup. Rest I need to delete it. So quickly I'll do that. Hold on a second. So cp controller to home directory. Home I have it, and OPT, I will blindly delete everything because everything is just a waste. It's a different architecture.
If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devops.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.